Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many Roblox users customize their character again and again. Saving your character helps you reuse the same outfit later without rebuilding it. Deleting old characters is also useful to remove designs you no longer use. Let me show you how to save or delete a Roblox character step by step. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on Avatar. At the top, tap on Customize. Here, edit your character exactly the way you want. You can change clothing, accessories, body parts, and animations. Once your character is ready, tap on the Add or Edit option. From here, tap on Add as New Avatar. Now give your avatar a name. This helps you recognize it later. Tap on Save. Your character is now saved successfully. Now let me show you how to delete a saved character. Tap on Add or Edit again. Now tap on Manage Avatars. Here you will see all your saved characters. Tap on the character you want to remove. At the bottom right corner, tap on the Delete icon. Confirm the deletion. The selected character will now be removed from your saved avatars list. You can save multiple characters and switch between them anytime. This makes customization faster and more convenient. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Roblox tips and fixes.